Happy New Year's, guys. New year, new life. We have early baby lambing. On New Year's morning, we came out and there was 2 little black lambs right here from this mama. If you remember, I've talked about in the past how we breed the baby doll sheep with the hair sheep to get these short sheep that we can graze in the orchard so they can't reach the trees or do damage, but they are able to eat the grass down and fertilize everywhere. And the baby doll sheep by themselves were not very vigorous for us. We had a lot of death in our first couple of years and they're very, very expensive. These seem to be more vigorous, more strong, and they do the same purpose as far as being very short and being able to graze in the orchard. And so we have 2 sets of birthing mothers, the hair sheep with our ram Calvin, and then we have the next generation Calvin's babies in with our ram Steven. So from Steven's babies, we've just had 2 baby black sheep. They're both girls. One has 2 white feet and a little white on his tail and a little white on his butt, which is her butt, very cute and unique. And these are the first babies that were born on New Year's Day. And then a few hours later on New Year's Day, this brown mama in the back over here went and she had 2 babies. And then the white mama went the following day on the 2nd and had 2 babies. And then on the 4th, this other white mama went and had 2 babies. So we've had 8 babies in the first week of the new year. They are just ridiculously cute. And also with Calvin being a black ram, the fact that they all came out white and brown is interesting because all of his babies last year came out black, with the exception of this one girl right there you can see laying next to Steven. It's interesting that all his babies came out black last year, and this year so far he's had 8 babies that were not black. But the other 3 moms that haven't birthed yet are the ones that never birthed last year. I don't know if you remember, we were watching them. We thought they were pregnant, but it turns out obviously they just never got covered, never got pregnant. Those are the last 3 that we have to birth, so likely they will have black babies because they are all at least half black in color. But it's interesting how genetics work. Last year, all his babies were one color, and this year they're all lighter. But they're super cute. We're super excited about it, and we might keep one of the rams because he's dark red with white legs and so cute, and we think that he would be an excellent father to more baby sheeps. Sheep play a lot of roles on the farm. They create fertilizer by pooping and eating hay and turning that hay into fertilizer. They are lawn mowers right now. They're here because we're letting the grass grow because this is the wet season, so we're letting the grass grow up so they can eat it. But some of these guys are actually gonna go out into one of the push laminators and clear out a couple of gardens here coming out this week. So they clean up old gardens, they lawn mow, and they fertilize. So they've got a lot of jobs here on the farm. This is just the beginning of babies here on the farm. We'll make many more videos. You're gonna see the goats get born, the rest of the sheep get born. There's gonna be some cows born this year on the farm. So check back in to see more cute babies throughout the springtime here on the farm. Like, subscribe, and as always, ask us questions and we'll be happy to make videos showing you what's going on here at Sow A Heart Farm.